Yes, yes, look at that. Wow. I did it. I found the winning combination. It's taking all that grunge off there when other cleaners wouldn't. You want to find out what this magic solution is? Watch this video and I'll show you. You're watching Dan's Messy Garage. Now let's clean this dirty pontoon boat and upholstery. If you ever tried cleaning the streaks off pontoon boat seats, you know that those things are really, really hard to get out of here. Today, I'm going to try a bunch of different cleaners. Cascade dishwasher liquid, carpet cleaner, roll off. I've used this before. So far that worked good. Totally awesome cleaner. And I got some glass and masonry cleaner used to clean ash off fireplace doors. I have a soot and dirt remover and a Mr. Clean magic eraser pad. Totally awesome spray here and there. Do the carpet stuff over on this side. I'm going to do this in somewhat the same order that I did on the other side of the boat. See, that's not taking the streaks out. It's taking that stuff off the side of the boat nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, let's rinse this out. Carpet cleaner here. It's coming off, but not as quick, and that's just not doing it. So we'll go to the next two. Fireplace cleaner and the roll off. I'm going to do roll off here. Fireplace cleaner here. Try just the rag. Not as good as totally awesome. I folded the rag, so I have a new portion of the rag here. All right, looks like it's totally awesome for the win. Now I'm just going to take the magic eraser and go over all this. Magic eraser is definitely what you need, and along with a cleaner. If totally awesome and this magic eraser works, that's going to be the cheapest of the cleaners. Magic eraser is doing a good job. So let's just add some totally awesome here. A little bit up there. We got a winning combination of Mr. Clean, a magic eraser, and LA's totally awesome Dollar Tree cleaner. All right, I found a combination that works. I'm not going to keep screwing around, trying other things. I'm going to use this. I didn't even bother trying the Cascade dishwashing detergent or the soot and dirt remover pad. What I have here works great, and I'm just going to continue to use that. We're going to do a live in the boat seat comparison as it starts to rain. Roll off, totally awesome. I'm going to spray them on here. Take Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Get it wet. Roll off first. Okay, just those wipes got most of that out. I turned the eraser over and it's raining harder. I have to stop. But the number one combination for cleaning and spending the least amount of money would be a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and totally awesome. Since I'm out here talking about what works on a pontoon boat, found a really good cleaner for these pontoons. Go to O'Reilly's and ask for Purple Power Aluminum Brightener. It's a gallon jug. You spray it on, give it a half a minute, power wash it off. You might have to do it a couple times, but it made a gigantic difference in these old pontoons. They look good now. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Go to dansmessygarage.com and pick up the t-shirt. Stay tuned to my channel for more tips, tricks, projects, and videos. Bye.